Rebilling an expense to a client in FreshBooks is simple. First, click Create New and select Expense. Add a category, a vendor, and your grand total. Now, add any taxes that apply and mark your expense as billable. Choose the client it's for. Hit Done, and then save. Success! Now, when you go to create a new invoice and select the same client, you'll find the unbilled expense you just created. Bingo! Click to add it as a line item and finish setting up your invoice. The rest is business as usual, which means you're about to get paid. Just make sure to hit the send button. And this one here is all done.